Today I'm going to talk to you about our iPad application for eQube BI 7.0. In today's world, portability of information and allowing real-time access to real data is getting more and more critical. With our iPad app, we're looking to show you that today, how that can be achieved. So here we are, standard iPad screen, and we have some options available to us. We're going to take a look at eQube BI 7.0, which is our out-of-the-box option. Opening the app right now, we have no reports visible to us. So I'm going to go and see what reports are available to me. I click the search item. Here, I'll not enter anything, I'll just search for any reports available. I'm then presented with the reports that are available to me in the application. I can scroll up and down, and some of these I'll want to use on a daily basis. So instead of being presented with all reports, I'll select a few that I want to have on my dashboard. Clicking the star in the corner starts adding them to my favorites. So I'm selecting my regularly used reports. You'll notice that I'm getting messages coming up to say that these have been added to my favorites. Once selected, I can now go to my home page where I'll see the reports that are available to me. I have a couple of pages of them, so I can scroll there. I may want to sort these reports still further. At the moment, they're in my default location. By clicking the tool icon, I can create a new group. I can start to sort my reports now that I've created a new group. So ones that I want to then have available to me in those new groups, I simply select and drag into that area. If I have many reports that I need to look at, this categorization makes retrieval so much more simple. I'm now going to open one of these reports. I select Done. Now I want to explore one of these reports. I'm going to look at the BOM cost details. So here we're presented with a typical dashboard. The key feature here is that this is using the same reporting mechanisms and charting as the regular browser-based applications. So there is no need to do additional work to render this on your iPad. This gives ultimate portability to the user, so they're able to move around their facility whilst having real-time information at their fingertips. I can explore these charts as with our regular BI application, simply by drilling into the chart segments. Again, you will see that we have charts linked together, so as I select one element of my data, the other components refresh. I can then drill up to get to my previous location. Standard features of these charts allow us to zoom in to get more detail on data. And then I can reset that zoom by using the reset button. I'm now going to look home and explore some other details around sales. I select the sales dashboard. So here we're tapping into other data from our typical PLM space. This time we are getting into ERP and other sales information from other data sources, combined together to give us this dashboard view. As with other charts and dashboards, we're able to explore the information. Now we'll exit this and go and take a look at a configured portal. Previously, we have looked at the out-of-the-box configuration for the eQube BI 7.0 iPad application. Now we're going to take a look at what we call our standard portal, where the user can define the look and feel of that whole portal experience. I select the standard portal icon. Here you can see that this is configured to a corporate look and feel. I have drop-down options available to me where I can explore the role-based reports that are available for me as a consumer. Clicking the drop-down gives us options to select. Here, I'm going to look at the BOM schedule. So on this BOM schedule report, I'm presented with the current status of the progress of the bill of material work going on in my PLM solution. I can see cumulative actuals, scheduled, tasks that are late, tasks that are on time, and tasks that are early. I'm interested in product X1, which appears to be having a lot of tasks that are late. I pick the blue bar on the X1 product line, where I can see 120 tasks are late. Drilling into that information, I then get a breakdown of the dates and where the lateness and on-time activity is taking place. I also get a trend of the cumulative actuals. Here, I can do the analysis to find out where the action points are for me to put this program back on track. So that concludes our short tour of the eQube BI iPad application, delivering real-time analytics and actionable insight wherever you may be in your organization.